you so much. It's yours. Hello, beautiful people. Oh my god, how am I gonna do the intro?
Hi, it's been a long time.
Man, shut your...
You guys, I know. I literally know. I don't know, I've been gone for like months now and y'all been waiting for vlogs. I did receive all your DMs on Instagram. But what can I do? What can I do? There is a lot of things happened. And I was just like overwhelmed and stressed and I didn't even want to touch anything. So imagine camera, bro. I didn't even know where my camera is. But we are back. I know I always say that every time I came back from like a long time vlog, I always say I am back, but I swear I am back. I missed you so much. YouTube is literally my safe place and I feel like I can be myself here and there is no hater, no bad people, no... It's not like other social media, I feel like. Welcome to my channel if you are new here and welcome back if you are already subscribed. I've been gone for a long time that I don't even know how to talk to you guys right now. Oh my god, this is a mess. I've been gone for a lot of reasons, personal reasons, but now I am back and I will post more. Right now I'm doing this intro while I'm editing this video actually because I forgot to do the intro for the video. So yeah, I am so happy to be back and hopefully I will continue posting, but I will, not hopefully, I will. Promise. Enough talking and let's go back to the vlog. Okay, what do we need? We need a lot of things actually, but I'm not gonna buy a lot of things because I don't have a car and it's gonna be so heavy, so I'm gonna wait for my friend to drive me to do like big groceries. For now, I'm just gonna buy what I need. I actually need chocolates. Okay, chocolate secured. I'm gonna take this one. Should I take another one? You know actually what I'm gonna buy right now and eat it right now? Dates. Because I'm low of energy right now and I need something sweet. So we're searching for dates. What is dates? Okay, what do we need now? Oh, I need to buy zucchini and some granola maybe. My favorite granola, you guys, are these. These are the best. And we also need yogurt, a Greek yogurt. And I love this one. It just tastes like nothing and I love this taste. I need breads. I need breads. Now I think we have too much and I'm really scared that, you know, it's so heavy. Should I call my friend? so tired. Oh my god. I was filming a reel and a TikTok. Oh my god, look at my nose. And a TikTok, and I don't know what to do now. I don't have the mic on. Can you hear me? I hope so. And my apartment is a mess. Like so messy. I need to clean, and then I need to eat because I'm hungry a little bit. Hi, it's a little bit later at night. I ate, but I am craving something sweet. So I was actually cleaning my apartment, and then I'm gonna go take a shower, and then maybe like edit a little bit this video. But before that, we have to eat something sweet. So I wanted to show you guys my dessert fixation these days. It's so good, you guys. Oh my god, it's nothing new actually. It's s'mores in the air fryer, but it's so freaking good. So we have the ingredients here. We need marshmallow. As you can see, all the ingredients are like almost finished. So we have marshmallows, we have biscuits like this, just normal biscuits, and we have chocolate. I have two kind of chocolate. This is dark chocolate and this is milk chocolate. I don't like milk chocolate that much, but in this dessert is so good. So let's do it. We're gonna take two biscuits. Oh my god, I don't have enough. I have the exact amount, 4, which is perfect. So we take one, put it like this, and another like that. And then marshmallows, 1, 2. So it looks like this, and then we put it in the air fryer for like 5 minutes. And now we're waiting. I hope the lighting is good here in the kitchen. I try to change like the la lampe, but I don't know, I feel like the colors are weird. I need to change actually the whole lighting in my apartment. I don't like it that much. And you'll probably ask me like what the hell is going here in this area. I tried to cover it, you guys. This thing bothers me so much. When I first came to this apartment, it was the first thing that I saw and I really didn't like it, but I didn't have a choice, unfortunately. So I tried to cover it with like a cotton, but I don't know. I know it's not aesthetically pleasant, but it's way better than before. My friend is so cute. She bought me the cutest plate ever. It's like a flower thing. Isn't it so cute? Oh my god, I can't wait to go and buy some fruit so I can decorate my kitchen. And she also bought me like a collection of dishes. I don't know if you can see it. It's like plates like this and bowls and small plates, and it's pink and it's so freaking cute. Wait, let me show you. Look how simple and so cute these are. Oh my god, she's the best. Oh my god, it's ready. But it's so hot. It has to be brown like this, otherwise it's not good. And then we take dark chocolate, just a small one, and milk chocolate, like this. Okay, so the next step, it's literally the last ones. So you do your chocolate like this, you take one of these, okay, and you do, ta-da! I'm just gonna wait a little bit for the chocolate to melt before eat it. We do the same thing with the other. Wow! And I like actually to eat it with Greek yogurt. I'm going to take a little bit. And it's the time for our taste test. Oh my god, you guys, are you ready? Are you ready? Because this is insane. Let me show you how this works. So the chocolate is already melting. Okay, watch this. Oh my god. This is insane, I swear. I actually saw on TikTok that we can do s'mores on air fryer, and I tried it once, and since I cannot live without this. Look at this chocolate. Another bite, thank you. Good morning, everybody. I look crazy. Oh my god, I just took a shower and I feel 10 times better. So I had breakfast this morning and I did my gym session at home because at home is so much better. And now I'm getting ready. I'm gonna try to do a blowout my hair, but like my hair dryer is weird, so I don't know if it's gonna work. Let's hope so. Also, you guys, if you have any recommendation on like good hair product, please tell me, because what the hell is going on? Oh my god, I just finished. It took me an hour. Can you believe that? And also my hair dryer, like it doesn't have the, you know, the flat lombudu sishuru. I don't have it, so it was so difficult to do what I just did. This is the hair. It's frizzy and I hate this. Like, look at. Should I brush it? I don't know. I'm scared that. Okay, I'm gonna do my makeup first and we'll be back.